The movie about American who joined Kurdish YPG against ISIS.
I love the Kurdish people. They're very polite, hospitable.
By American actor Jake Gyllenhaal and Swedish film director Daniel Espinosa. Jake Gyllenhaal is to star in a drama about an American who joins Kurdish YPG on the front line against Islamic State in Syria. Jake Gyllenhaal will be reteaming with Life director Daniel Espinosa for this project, which is an adaptation of the Rolling Stone article Call It, The Anarchist vs. ISIS. According to The Hollywood Reporter, the film, an adaptation of Seth Harp's Rolling Stone article The Anarchists vs. the Islamic State, will see the actor reunite with director Daniel Espinosa, with whom he recently worked on sci-fi horror movie Life. Gyllenhaal will produce the film via his production company Ninestories. Reported by BOZI Kurdistani. For RH News Agency.
I think if more people had that attitude that I'm going to stay here, this is my home, I'm going to make it safe here for my future generations, not leave, not go somewhere else. All you do when you leave a place is you move your problem somewhere else. I think the Rojava Defense Force is the perfect answer to changing all of the Middle East. I think this could be the example, the shining example of what freedom really could look like for not just Kurds, but for the Ashurians, the Arabs, everybody, I think this is the best shot that we have.
Today, YPG has become a force which values the importance of women in the fight against terrorism, with the all-female wing being the Women's Defense Unit's YPJ, which was established in 2012. The YPJ today is a multi-ethnic women's army with the basis of liberating women, not only from terrorism, prosecution and violence, but from societal oppression and mentality of traditional society in the region. Many internationalists, Westerners, have joined the YPG in the fight against Daesh, recognizing its struggle against terrorism with the fundamental basis of equality and fraternity in Rojava. The YPG fights to create a democratic nation and fighting against those who wish to divide and terrorize the people. This is what it sees as its main duty.
The Syrian people, and I've seen nothing but unilateral support for the YPG from local people from all ethnicities, Yazidis, Ashuri, Arabs, Kurds, Turkmen, everybody I've known, civilian, has voiced their support and love for the YPG.
My Kurdish name is Agros Weaver. I've been here almost 6 months now, and I'm the commander of the TMU.
My name is Shervan Aguirre. I'm from Michigan in the United States. I've been here for a little over 5 months.
I'm Paul Hetfield. I'm from Tucson, Arizona, USA. I've been in Rojava for 8 months now.
My name is Devin Atem. My Kurdish name is Judy Toleldan. I'm from Holland.
My name is Rashid. I'm from the United States and I've been here for 2 months.
I was with the United States Marine Corps, and I first saw the Yazidi people and the Kurds, and I saw Rojava just across the border, and I fell in love with the place. I told myself I'd always go back there.
I didn't want to sit for longer on my couch and do nothing. I've seen all the horrible things that's being done to our people, and I just couldn't sit and do nothing.
We're fighting an enemy that despises us and despises the West. It's terrible, some of the things they've done.
I was in the Army for 6 years, and it's always a waiting game, but once you're used, you're used. I love the Kurdish people. They're very polite, hospitable.
I believe that the YPG and democratic confederalism is the best political solution to the instability in the Middle East, and I think that it's my responsibility as someone who believes in these values to fight for them.